2,086 days, 20 hours, 32 minutes, and 49 seconds later, we are here at Tesla to pick up my Cybertruck. Let's go. I can't believe that it's been almost 6 years since the Cybertruck was unveiled on November 21st, 2019. I've been a day one reservation holder the night that it was unveiled, and now the moment has come to pick up my Cybertruck. Let's go. So my delivery appointment was at 6 o'clock. It's currently 6:45. So let's head in there and see where my Cybertruck is on the lot and do the final inspections and sign for it and drive it off away. Let's go. Be sure, if you're looking to get a Tesla, get it now before September 30th, so you can take advantage of the federal tax incentive here. So you have to take delivery to get that $7,500. So I think my Cybertruck is one of these on the lot. I'm not sure, but let's head in there. Let's check it out and talk to the reps and see where it's at. He said spot F5. There it is. So now we're gonna do the initial checks. I'll leave a Cybertruck delivery day checklist in the comments below and in the description, so you'll know exactly what I'm looking for. Oh wow, they didn't really clean it that well. Yeah, some smudges, but let's see if these come out. I'm gonna check the gaps, the doors, everything, and I'll show you guys exactly what to look for. All right, now it's 7:45. They've taken the car in for about, I think, 45 minutes now. They're doing final touches of cleaning it up, and there were some smudges that weren't coming out with the microfiber cloth, and they probably are using their own method to take it out. So we'll see if those smudges come out, and then we'll go over there and we'll update you guys. Yeah, it was right there in the spot over there. It is packed. They close at 7, but right now it's like 7:45. And they said we're here until all the deliveries are finalized, and there are a bunch of people in the waiting room waiting for their cars to be delivered as well. This is the end of quarter, almost end of quarter, rush that's going to be coming. It's going to get actually worse than this because of the tax credit that will be ending in about a month and a half. So you better get your car ordered and delivered if you don't want any delays, and if you also qualify for the federal tax credit. I kind of want it to be, daytime, so I can see if there are any scratches or just slight imperfections, because it's an expensive truck. You want to make sure that it's at least some good standards, right? My truck is right there. It's ready. I don't know why they won't bring it out. They finished detailing it, so it's getting dark. It's about, I think, 8:05, 8:10 right now. It's gonna be a little bit tricky inspecting it, but we'll see what happens. All right, it is now the day after, and the Cybertruck actually got ready at around 8:45 p.m. last night. But technically Tesla, they closed at 7, and they had already worked really hard. I didn't want to hold them any longer, and the workers, they're fantastic employees. They go above and beyond. And also, I want to inspect also the car under the sunlight, just for the final inspection. So now let's go and let's take delivery of the Cybertruck. There are a few scratches on the driver's side door. I don't know if you can see it right there and right there. We tried it with a microfiber cloth, it didn't come out. And there's a few on the hood right there. See it right there. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna ask him if that's normal. I mean, I don't know. But look at it. It's a beast. Okay, so they took it in to buff it out, and they actually came out with more scratches. They used a rotary machine, and there was only like a few scratches here, but then I guess they tried to buff it out, and those scratches are still there. And I guess they tried evening it out, and there are a bunch more now. Wow, that's insane. And then this thing is not coming out, no matter how much we rub at it. And we tried, there's a little solution on it too, it's not coming out. Not sure what it is exactly, but yeah, unfortunately we might have to reject this unless if they could, I don't know, I guess fix all these extra scratches that were created from buffing it out. Yeah, man, look at, really want to take delivery of this, but we're paying this much for a truck. I mean, yeah, it'll get scratches eventually probably, right? I mean, unless if I wrap it, but at least I know I caused those scratches. You don't want to go to a new car dealership and just have a whole bunch of scratches driving off the lot. It is now the following Monday, and this is the 4th time we're going for the delivery, so 4th time's the charm. I'll get into later in the video about exactly what day, what happened, and why we couldn't take a delivery each of the days. Let's go. All right, hopefully last time in the Model Y Performance, and here we go. This truck is much better than the first one that they had initially scheduled for me to take delivery of. There are no scratches, no blotches anywhere. Everything is perfect. I followed my the checklist that I have, so I'll leave that in the description below for you guys. I currently have it in high mode, or whatever it's called, high. And yeah, but the only thing that's kind of missing is the plastic trim right here. So you see right here, it's just like, it looks like a snap-on plastic, and it's missing right here. That's the only issue. And I just informed the guy, and he said he'll be right back with it. So I guess I have some spare parts, but yeah, everything's working perfectly. And the only thing I'm sort of concerned about is this part. Let's see. I don't know if that's fading away or whatnot, but I'll ask him. All right, it is now the day after delivery day, and I still can't believe I own a Cybertruck. It has been a fantastic experience, and I absolutely love every minute of driving the Cybertruck. So yeah, let's get into why this got delayed by about a few days. So my initial delivery date was Friday. When we went there, the car had a few scratches on the front trunk and on the driver's side door panel. So they offered to polish it out, and they said it'll come out, you know, looking just like the other panels, good as new. We're like, okay, yeah, we'll take that offer up. And it took, I think, by the time they finished it up, it was about, I think, 8:30, 8:45 at night, and it was already late. And we decided just not to take delivery of it that day. So we rescheduled it to the following morning, Saturday. I think it was at 10 a.m. when they opened. And yeah, so we went there. The small scratch that was on the front trunk had actually, it didn't get fixed. It didn't get polished or buffed out. And you can see everywhere that there were more scratches now. So we were like, we'll reject this. And you know, if it came back and the scratch was still there, but it had not gotten more, we'll probably have taken delivery of it, honestly. You know, it's a truck, it's a stainless steel truck. I mean, you're bound to get scratches on it eventually from just using it and working with it. But, you know, the scratches got more, and they were like, yeah, sure, no worries. We could reschedule you guys and get a different truck, get a different VIN assigned. The next appointment they had was Monday. So that's what exactly we did. I think we scheduled it for 5 or 6 p.m. Monday, which is yesterday. And this truck now, it was perfect. There were no scratches, no blemishes, knock on wood, and nothing too out of the ordinary, except for the rear seats right here, where it was right there, that little plastic trim was missing, but it was a quick fix. He came with it and he popped it back on, and it was good as new. There's nothing crazy in this truck, there's nothing, you know, missing that I know of, and it's so far it drives smoothly. It is a great driving experience. It feels like you're on a cloud, and yeah, I can't wait to do a deep dive review on this and get into everything from the driving experience, off-roading it. I have a video coming out that will have the best accessories for the Cybertruck, so do not miss that. I think I'll drop that in about a week or two. And just my initial impressions as well. And also, let me show you this. Also, we are going to ceramic coat the Cybertruck. A lot of people think that you cannot ceramic coat a Cybertruck because it's stainless steel. There's no clear coat and whatnot, but there are special ceramic coatings for this. And I'll get into how to exactly prep your Cybertruck, because it's not exactly the same process of prepping your regular vehicles to ceramic coat it. So I'll do a deep dive on how to ceramic coat your Cybertruck, how to clean it properly for the ceramic coating to get it prepped, and also maintenance washes. All right, what are your thoughts on the Cybertruck? Are you considering getting a Cybertruck? Are you on the fence about a Cybertruck? What is holding you back? Leave a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe because I've got some special news. I'm taking delivery of a brand new vehicle in the coming days, maybe a couple weeks or so. So I do not want you guys to miss out. It is a special vehicle, and it's going to be changing the fleet of the channel. So we've got a Cybertruck, we've got a new vehicle coming in. Be sure to subscribe to not miss out. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.